Okay, so today we're flame weeding a carrot bed. So about 2 weeks ago I got the bed prepped, made the trenches, and put remay over top to get the weeds to germinate. And now that they've germinated, we're going to run through with the flamer and torch the little baby weeds. It doesn't work for noxious weeds like couch grass. It's not effective, so just the annual weeds. And you also want to get them when they're pretty small, otherwise they can recover. It's good to do it when there's a bit of moisture on the leaves, and then it makes the plant get a little bit hotter. Or, it'll just, the heat will saturate it a lot more if it's a little bit moist, but this should be fine. So the idea is we're going to flame it once, then I'm going to plant the carrots, cover them with a thin layer of sea soil. Then I'm going to cover the whole bed with remay, and one section of the bed I'll cover with a pane of glass. And the ones under the glass will germinate, 1 to 4 days earlier than the others. So as soon as I see germination under the glass, I'll come out a second time with the flamer and flame the bed with the carrots planted. And then after I've flamed the second time, we'll put radishes down the middle. You don't want to put the radishes before you do the second flaming because they germinate really quickly, and so you'll flame the radishes. And just a note to everybody that remay is highly flammable. I found that out the hard way. And land and sea is also somewhat flammable, so you just want to be careful that you don't have a lot of dry carbon matter. This time of the year I'm not as concerned, but you want to be careful in the summertime when you're flaming. And you also want to set it up so that when you light it, it's not like lighting plastic things on fire. So that's the second valve, and you can hear it when it starts giving gas. Oh, good. So that works. That makes life a lot easier. And then you can turn it up. I'm going to skip over the sunflowers. Run, spiders! This will be good. Actually, what I'll do after I flame it is I'll leave the remay off just so that it gets the heat of the sun as well. It's amazing how things can recover. And again, I'm not really looking so much to kill these big weeds as for the little guys.